Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to turn Apple Watch off. The first thing you want to do once on your Apple Watch, you are going to press the side button, this button right here. You are going to simply press down on it and you will be led to this screen and you'll simply tap on the power icon at the side right there and that will turn off your Apple Watch. Another thing that you can also do is press the crown button. And once in the menu option, you are going to scroll down until you see settings. You are going to select settings. So scroll all the way down. Then you are going to tap on settings. And in settings, you are going to select general. Then you are going to scroll down until you see the option shut off. As you can see right there, shut down, you'll simply tap on that. And that's the second way to shut down or to turn off your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.